Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix where Valorant keeps crashing mid-game, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So first is you need to make a right click of your Valorant desktop icon and then select show more options and then click on properties. Then here we have this general shortcut compatibility and digital signatures. Click on the compatibility tab. Make sure these buttons for disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator is checked. Once done, click on apply and then OK. Now, if in some cases it still didn't help you in fixing the issue, then next is we need to click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, you need to click on Windows Update. We need to make sure our Windows is up to date. So if you want, or if you have here the button check for updates, download and install all updates, and then restart now, then you have to click on that so that your Windows will be updated. Once done, move on to the next method, which is to search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on this. We need to update our graphics card driver. So here in the Device Manager window, look for the display adapters. You might have a different graphics card driver. You might have NVIDIA. Now I have Intel. So just make a right click and then select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Once done, close this. Then we need to search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on this. Maximize this. And you have here the memory. Click on this. Then you need to look for the applications which are running in the background and has a high memory. And what you'll have to do, you just need to make a right click on that and then select End Task. Right click, select End Task. Once done, close this. Then if the problem still persists, click on the Start button and go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Then here, if you find the Valorant, just simply click on these three dots and then select uninstall. And once you have uninstalled the application, then just go back to the same website where you have installed it in the first place. Uninstalling and reinstalling it again will surely help you fix the issue. So I hope one of these methods helped you in fixing the issue. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.